Bad boy. The other thing with Bad Boy is that the coaches, the future leaders, I had the opportunity to just pour into them and help develop them. Oh, that was such a blessing. To watch these guys go from agent to coach to supervisor, in some cases to manager, in some cases to director, in some cases to AVP. Whoo! That was a good look. What an experience that was. And if that didn't represent your body of work, I don't know what would have. Because that was a powerful, powerful look. So I was extremely blessed and fortunate to work with so many talented people that was able to open up and receive. Just as I continuously receive from them, they receive from me. And the last thing is, within the Bad Boy side, we learned how to coach upward. Yes, finding your voice, standing in the gap, and having the courage and confidence to coach upward. Did everybody get it? No, not everybody got it. But those that needed to get it when they got it, if that makes sense. My man Nate, my man Nate was like the king of coaching upward. And Nate helped develop me in that regard. So Nate, much love to you on that as well. Woo! Bad boy. I love some bad boy. Thank y'all. All of you.